Hello and welcome to the new episode of Billion Stories. What is a business credit card? What are the 10 reasons you need a business credit card? This video is the answer to these two questions. So, without further ado, let's get started. Today, there are a lot of ways to make purchases and pay for things. From debit cards to credit cards, you've got options, and they all serve different purposes. But when it comes to choosing one of these payment methods, there are several important things to consider, including convenience, security, and fees. What is a business credit card? A business credit card is an excellent tool for small businesses to improve their cash flow and reduce the risk of overdrafts. It is also a good way to start using a credit card, as you will be able to build up your credit history and your credit score at the same time. The interest rate charged on your business credit card is typically lower than that charged on personal cards. What are the 10 reasons you need a business credit card? A business credit card is an excellent way to boost your business's financial performance. With it, you can make purchases as well as get cash advances. It also allows you to establish or improve your business credit score. This is an important step for business owners as it affects their ability to borrow money in the future. It is also a good idea to have a business credit card so that you can use it as an alternative to your personal credit card. Here is the detailed information about the 10 reasons you need a business credit card. Number 1. Access to cash flow and financial flexibility. A business credit card is a tool that helps you access cash flow and financial flexibility. It allows you to make payments from your business checking account and pay off your business expenses from the same account. This ensures that you do not incur any personal debt. If you don't have the funds available to make a payment on time, you can apply for a business credit card. It is important to keep your business credit card in good standing. If you miss a payment, you could be responsible for a late fee and interest charges. If you think you are going to be behind on your payments, you should take care of it immediately. If your business credit card isn't in good standing, you can lose your ability to use your business credit card. Number 2. Separation of personal and business expenses. Credit cards have a feature that separates your personal and business expenses. This feature allows you to pay for personal expenses with the personal credit card and pay for business expenses with the business credit card. It also gives you the flexibility to charge personal expenses and business expenses on the same credit card. Businesses need to use separate credit cards for business expenses and personal expenses. There are times when business owners are too busy to prepare a report for the government. They need to spend time preparing reports for the government, and that's why they don't have time to prepare business expense reports. This is where the use of separate credit cards comes in handy. Using two different cards will help business owners to separate personal and business expenses. This is something that they won't have to worry about since both cards are kept in separate wallets. This makes it easier for them to keep track of their expenses and to pay for business and personal expenses separately. This will help them to avoid any problems that might arise if they are not able to distinguish between their personal and business expenses. Number 3. Points, cashback, or other rewards. Another benefit of using business credit cards is the rewards that come along with it. You can get points, cashback, or other rewards depending upon the type of credit card that you use. Some credit cards offer discounts at select business establishments or restaurants. Some credit cards have no annual fee. Many credit cards will offer you points or rewards for making purchases at certain stores or businesses. For example, some credit cards offer you 10% cash back on your purchases at the grocery store. You can also find other reward programs that will earn you points. You'll need to sign up to get these rewards. Make sure that you are aware of all the rules and regulations so that you can receive the full benefit of the program. Some credit cards require that you spend a minimum amount of money. For example, some require that you spend $5,000 to qualify for the cashback or reward program. Number 4. Large credit or spending limit. Credit cards give you a large credit or spending limit depending upon the type of credit card that you are using. This means that you can charge more money in a single transaction. Credit cards also allow you to spend money in a manner that is comfortable to you. If you do not have the necessary cash to pay for your purchases, you can still use your credit card to pay for it. Number 5. Opportunity to boost your credit rating. Business credit cards offer an opportunity to boost your business credit score. By using business credit cards, you can make payments on time and increase your business credit rating. A business credit card is a type of credit card that you can use for businesses. You can use a business credit card to purchase things for your business. You can pay the bills on time when you use a business credit card. However, you need to be very careful with these cards. Make sure that you pay the bills on time and don't miss any bill payments. If you do that, you will increase your business credit rating. You can also add a line of credit to your business credit card. If you do, you can use that line of credit to purchase equipment for your business. Your business credit rating will increase, and your business credit line will increase too. Number 6. Establish a business credit score. Establishing a business credit score is an easy process. The best way to build a good credit score is to pay your bills on time and keep your balances low. Your credit score will be based on your payment history. If you are in a position to take advantage of this type of business credit, you can use it to open a line of credit. This will allow you to borrow money for some time. To make sure that you get a favorable rate, you should be able to prove that you can pay your bill back. You should also check your credit score once a year. If you find that your score has dropped, you should make sure that you take steps to get it up. Number 7. Control of employee spending. Credit cards also give you control over your employee's spending. If your employee is spending too much on personal expenses, you can have him or her use the company credit card to pay for it. You can also monitor how much money your employees are spending. You can give your employees credit cards with a certain spending limit. Then, you should keep an eye on how they use those cards. If you find that they are spending too much on personal expenses, you can take action and get them a new card. Remember that you can always monitor how your employees are spending. You can do this by asking them to fill out an expense report each month. Number 8. Business perks. This goes without saying it, but as this list is exhaustive, we must mention it. Your business credit card is a great way to get perks. Many companies offer various perks to their employees. These may include gym memberships, discounts on food and other services, free meals, and even tickets to events or concerts. You can also get discounts on your rent and utilities. Some landlords will provide discounts for those who use a company credit card. Also, you can get discounts from your cable provider. You can also receive discounts from travel agencies. The best perk that you can get is a gym membership. These days, most employers will pay for these things so you won't have to spend money. You can get this from the office itself. Number 9. Business cards not subject to personal card limits. Some banks have a restriction on how many cards you may open in a certain period of time. For example, with American Express, you can only have 5 credit cards active at a time, whereas Chase only enables you to open 5 cards in 24 months. These restrictions do not usually apply to business credit cards, allowing you to diversify your credit card portfolio. This means you'll be able to apply for more cards, receive more welcome bonuses, and have a greater credit limit overall. Number 10. Higher limit purchase protection. A business credit card with a greater spending limit may allow you to make larger purchases while still providing purchase protection at the higher limit. While personal credit cards frequently offer similar benefits, business credit cards can cover more expensive transactions. When making greater, company-related cost commitments, this might provide you further peace of mind. When deciding what type of credit card you want, look for a company credit card that will cover large purchases. Some companies offer business credit cards that include lower interest rates and more available credit than standard personal credit cards. For example, a company credit card may have a spending limit that is several $1,000s higher than a personal credit card. Because of this, it would be wise to use this card if you plan on buying items worth more than your personal credit limit. If you're looking for smart ways to save money on gas, lunch, and other small bills and avoid bankruptcy, then a business credit card is the way to go. Plus, since most businesses will charge you interest if you don't pay off your bills in full every month, you'll be earning cash when it's time to pay your bills. It's a win-win way to build a strong business reputation and save money. I hope you found this video useful and informative. Please give us a like and consider subscribing to Billion Stories, because more incredible contents are on the way. Thanks for watching.